Ever wondered what truly lies inside a black hole? What happens if you actually fall into one of the universe's most extreme objects? Today, we're exploring what physicists believe might be inside a black hole, based on our current understanding of gravity and the fabric of spacetime. First, you'd cross the event horizon, the black hole's boundary where escape is impossible, even for light. You wouldn't feel it immediately. However, immense tidal forces would stretch you dramatically. This extreme stretching, known as spaghettification, transforms anything into a long, thin strand. Past spaghettification, at the very center, lies the singularity. This isn't a surface, but a theoretical point of infinite density and zero volume, where all the black hole's mass is crushed. Spacetime becomes infinitely curved here. Our known laws of physics completely break down, making its true nature impossible to describe. Since nothing can escape the event horizon, we can never directly observe the singularity. It remains a profound theoretical challenge. To fully understand this extreme point, we need a unified theory of quantum gravity, merging relativity with quantum mechanics. The singularity's true nature is one of the universe's most unknowable secrets. So, while we can outline the descent into a black hole and its theoretical core, much of what's inside remains a captivating mystery, pushing the very limits of our scientific understanding. If you found this cosmic dive fascinating, hit that like button, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more mind-expanding science.